One of the great things we offer to you as an affiliate marketing partner for LifterLMS is the option for you to get a unique coupon code for you to give out when you're doing your affiliate marketing promotions and distributing your affiliate link. I call this the triple win. It's a win for you, the affiliate marketer. It's a win for the customer who comes in through your affiliate link, and it's a win for Lifter LMS. So for Lifter LMS, we get a new customer thanks to your affiliate marketing efforts. You get a affiliate commission, and you also get the satisfaction of recommending a great product and the satisfaction of giving the people clicking through your link a discount. And the customer gets a great product and they get it at a great deal with a deeper discount from your unique affiliate promotion and your unique affiliate coupon code that we gave you at Lifter LMS. So all you have to do to get one of those is just reach out to us at team@lifterlms.com. That's TEAM at lifterlms.com. Or you can come through the contact page on our website. And once you get your coupon, we'll set that up for you. We'll email it to you. You can just give it out. You can put it in your emails, on social media, on your website where you're promoting the product. Or if you're a software provider, as example, you can put it inside your app as a benefit to your community. Like, here's a coupon code for Lifter LMS. So that's how to leverage coupon codes in the Lifter LMS community as an affiliate partner.